Hey everyone, it's Niall at Learn to Trade the Market. This is a quick video. I've just spotted a fakie setup as well as a 1 hour pin bar in the direction of the trend on the NZD USD, this New Zealand dollar versus US dollar pair. And we've also just broken a support line or a swing support line. So as you can see, I've entered at the close of this bar. I got filled at 71.74. It's now breaking away. And I'm going to come back to this tomorrow, which will be about 12 hours time. I'm going to bed now, and we'll just monitor that and see how we go. Now, the trade setup was, um, these inside bars here, and then we had a false move up and a reversal back down. So that's the fakie or the intraday fakie. It comes off best when we're in the direction of the trend, and you can see it was a nice bearish reversal bar with an upper tail, and now it's broken to new lows. So I'm confident in that trade, and I've got my stop just above the high of that bar. We'll see you in about 12 hours with an update on the trade. Good morning, welcome back to the Learn to Trade the Market video update. We've got a New Zealand US dollar, so NZD USD is the ticker code for this Forex pair. We've got a trade going here. You can just see last night we entered on the fakie setup and the 1 hour pin bar that formed right there. So you had like an outside bar and all these inside bars, and you had a false break up and then a large reversal back below the lows, which is an intraday fakie, and it was also just a plain vanilla 1 hour pin bar. So you can see the market's now fallen away significantly, and this was recorded live. There's no way that I can actually go back in time and cheat here, so I'm just trying to make this as realistic as possible. I'm still in the trade. I have a profit target a little bit lower, and currently the trade's up around 3 times what I've risked to take the short position. I just want to point something out on the 240-minute chart. Now there was actually a lovely 240-minute pin bar there, an inside bar, and you can see this is the setup on the 1 hour, but you can see it's much clearer on the 240-minute chart. So we had two pin bars almost inside. Actually, they are inside that green candle, and this one's inside the red. So we had like a winding spring pattern and then a capitulation lower in the direction of the trend. I really love to take the pin bar setups, the bearish reversals or bullish reversals, as long as there's a really good trend in place. And you can see, I've ended up in a nice little profit here. Uh, you know, Sometimes these setups don't come off, but because the risk is so tight, the risk reward scenario and profit potential can be quite high. That's all I've got. I think I'll be getting out soon, and that'll make me around 70 to 80 points on the trade, and I only risked around 25 pips, so it's around 4 to 1. Alright, we'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup.